it's your girl Tisha Monique back again. If you know anything about me, you know that I love a good fragrance. I love a good body fragrance. But I also love a good home fragrance. I love a good home fragrance. And so this Diffuser brand has a Santal fragrance that is just hands down so amazing. You could imagine how good like a good Santal, Labo, Byreido fragrance smells on the body. This is giving that, but for your home. And so this is one of the products that I picked up and I'm so excited about because it smells amazing. Anything like me that I like to give, but I also like to pick up a few items as I'm shopping for others for myself. And today, dolls, I wanted to share with you a product that I'm super excited about. And I wanted to make sure to film this before the holidays because I think it will be perfect for you, for your home, for the holidays, as a little gift for yourself, or of course you can gift it to somebody else. But I think that as we're going to like Black Friday, we're looking for things that we can pick up. Fragrance in particular from Aromadd is so amazing. It is Santal. I love sensual, deep, rich fragrances for perfume, body gels, soaps, lotions, etc. So I find that it is super, super nice. I like to put it right by my front door and other parts of my home because it is a smaller diffuser, but they do offer larger size diffusers that you could even put. They have the kind that you could put in your air vents and let it circulate through the house. So that's something that I'm looking to invest in now that I see how amazing this diffuser is. I really like to have it by my front door when you first walk in the house to just get that fragrance as a guest, but also for myself coming into my home. I love it, love it, love it. It has a very strong scent bubble to where it does carry through the home. It does last, and it's just a beautiful fragrance. I love it. They do have a lot of fragrances that you can choose from, and you know, whatever your favorite scents are, if you like something more floral, fruity, that sort of thing. But this one is like a deeper scent that I think is good because I do share a space with more than just myself. I share a space with my husband and my 2 older boys. So I feel like this is a perfect scent that everybody loves. Like they love, love, love it. I've even gone to where I've taken this diffuser and set it down inside of my car. Like when I've come in the house, I've taken the diffuser to set it down in my car and just let it kind of aerate my car. So then when I took it back out and got in the next day, it just smells so amazing on the go. Really nice. So let me show you dolls how I load this diffuser up. I'll do just a quick little tutorial on how you can set it up. It's super simple, super quick. Hey y'all, so there you have it, this amazing diffuser that you can get your hands onto. Like I said, I absolutely love the Santal scent. That's the scent that I have. It smells fantastic. You have got to get your nose on it. If you like a Labo, Byreido, Killian's, or anything that's a little bit deeper scent profile, then you will absolutely love the Santal from Aromadd because it smells so good. But like I said, they have so many fragrances that you can choose from on their website, which will be linked below. So take a look, and if for nothing else, get the diffuser and you can order your own scents to add to it. But I think that their scents are long lasting, definitely compatible because it's the same brand with the scents that are on their site. To just, you know, have the diffuser and the scents that are provided from the same brand is top tier. But these are so good. They smell designer, they smell so fantastic, and I'm telling you, you yourself will love it, and you'll get tons of compliments for any of your guests that are coming, especially for the holiday season. But this is also a great inexpensive gift that you can share with others through the holiday season and get your hand on it for yourself or others. So tea, I absolutely love it. So dolls, this is it for this video. If you like, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up on this video, and I will see you dolls in the next one. Bye.